Hey home cooks! Today I want to show you why the Etekcity Kitchen Scale is a game changer for your cooking. Whether you're baking, cooking, on a keto diet, or just meal prepping, this little gadget is gonna make your life so much easier. First off, precision is key in the kitchen. Ever eyeballed a cup of flour and ended up with a baking disaster? Yeah, I've been there. With the Etekcity Kitchen Scale, you get accurate measurements in grams and ounces, ensuring your recipes turn out perfect every time. And let's talk about weight loss and portion control. If you're serious about hitting your health goals, this scale is your best friend. You can easily measure your food portions, helping you stay on track without the guesswork. Now, the design. This scale is sleek with a 304 stainless steel surface. It's not just about looks though. It's durable and super easy to clean. Plus, the LCD display is clear and easy to read, even in dim lighting. One of my favorite features, the tare function. You can place your bowl or container on the scale, hit the tare button, and it resets to 0. This means you can measure multiple ingredients in one go, saving you time and dishes. It's also compact and lightweight, so you can store it easily or take it with you if you're cooking away from home. And don't worry, batteries are included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. So if you're ready to step up your cooking game, the Etekcity Kitchen Scale is a must-have. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Happy cooking!